Hi, my name is Cory Jacoby. I'm the lead interior designer at Jacoby Company, which is our business. I'm in a beautiful home today in Encino that we've done the entire home. It's fantastic. And I want to show you, we're in the little family room here. So come on, let me show you what we did over here in the window. It was a really large window, and we wanted to do a grass shade that complemented the dining room. Gary, what are you doing sitting down in the family room? You don't live here.
I'm on break right now, and I'm just shooting on the job.
Oh my God, get up, let's
Oh,
go.
if our customer comments, I'd be in big trouble.
No, you crack me up. This is what you do
Yes,
in customers'
no, I
houses.
don't
You
do
sit and you talk.
I don't do that.
So we have grass shades here. They're fantastic. They go from one end to the other. It's 120 inches wide as one product, and you lower it and no one can see in during the day, a little bit of shadows at night, but don't really care. It is the most fabulous product, and this is just one room of this beautiful home. So Gary, you did a great job on install, and thank you very much for sitting down in our customer's living room.
Well, you're
Family
welcome.
room.